Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add border in PDF file in online. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add border in PDF file on online and free, go to smallpdf.com. I will give you the link in description. And here you will find choose files. Click on choose files or drag your file here. I'm clicking on choose file. I'm opening a file. Now I'm selecting a PDF file and click on open. It's processing. The document has been opened here. First of all, I'm going to show you how to add border in a particular area. Here you will find shape box. Click on shape and click on rectangle. Now just drag. Now the border has been added. Now you can change the thickness, or you can change the border color. Now I am going to show you how to add border for whole page. Just click on shape, click on rectangle, again drag. You can drag it to the whole page. This is the way to make border for a PDF. Now you need to download this edited document. Click on export on upper right corner. Now click on download PDF. The PDF has been downloaded. I'm going to open it. PDF has been downloaded with the border I have added. This is the easiest to add border in PDF from online in free. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.